Welcome back again. Our second lecture for differential equation. Myself, Professor Prasad Bhakchandare, Department of Mathematics, Swari College of Engineering, Pandharpur. So, already we discussed this slide. Directly go to the just recap on the differential equation. The differential equation is mainly containing order and degree. Next, formation of differential equation, solution of differential equation. Solution of the differential equation, how to find a solution of the differential equation? By using variable separable form, reduced to variable separable form, homogeneous differential equation and linear differential equation. Already we have solved some example on this type, variable separable, example on variable separable and order and degree. Now we see more example on this homogeneous and LD. So we see the example. If y is equal to mx plus 4 divided by m, then its differential equation. This question asked in CET 2009. Okay, how many arbitrary constant is containing? Only one arbitrary constant. Okay, m. So I differentiate only one times. So y by dx. So we are look at our option. Here only order is 1, order is 1, order is 1. But what about this? Here order is 2. So obviously हे example असेल का रे? हे answer असेल का नाही? कारण हे जे equation किती आहे? Equation मध्ये फक्त एक arbitrary constant आहे, तो म्हणजे काय? m. Okay, so we have solved the example like this. So we got that the term y equal to mx plus 4 divided by m, differentiate with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equal to m plus 4 divided by m. The total term is constant. What total term? Total term is constant. So what derivative of this constant is 0. So derivative is 0. So from this equation you find the value of m. M is equal to dy by dx. So put this value of m in above equation, means this is the equation. So y is equal to mx plus 4 divided by m. So when you put the value, so y equal to m is dy by dx, x times dy by dx plus 4 divided by dx. Then multiply both sides by dy by dx. So we got that y by dy by dx plus equal to x dy by dx bracket square plus 4. So option A is correct. Option A is correct. Okay. Already in last lecture we have seen, I think, 3 example on this formation of differential equation. Okay. So we have see the next example. The order, see important, order and degree are respectively. What is the order and what is the degree? The differential equation d2y by dx square equal to cube root of is what? Cube root of 1 minus dy by dx raised to 4. This example asked for 2009. Okay. So obviously, what is the highest derivative occur? d2. Means what is your order? Order is 2. Order is 2. So this is not an answer. This is not answer. What about this? Is these two are the answer. But what you ask? Order is 2. We do not calculate degree. आणखी degree आपण calculate केली नाही. त्याच्या आधीच आपण answer सांगितलं. So option is B. So we have solved this example. Just squaring on both side. Sorry, cube on both side. We got d2y by dx square bracket raised to 3 is equal to 1 minus dy by dx bracket raised to 4. Therefore, what is the highest derivative occurring in the differential equation? What is the highest derivative occurring in the differential equation is 2. So what is the order of the differential equation is 2. So what is the order is 2, and what is the degree? Power of that highest derivative. What is the power of highest derivative? Is 3. Okay. So what is degree is 3. Degree is 3. So option B is correct. Option B is correct. Then next example number 16. Which of the following is the general solution of the differential equation? Okay, just we explain again what is general solution, what is particular solution. Last lecture we have explained in detail general solution and particular solution. General solution is obtained from what? Is obtained from arbitrary constant means what is the equation like this, y is equal to a cos like this is obtained from that equation which containing arbitrary constant, and particular solution is obtained from what? General solution by substituting particular values of x is equal to something and y is equal to something. Okay, this is the particular solution and general solution. What do you ask? We have find the general solution. So for finding general solution, we are observing how many cases? 5 cases. What is 5 cases? First case, variable separable. Second case, reduce. Third, homogeneous. And last, LD. Now we solve this example. Just we can easily separate x, we can easily separate y. So this example is we are solved by using variable separable form. So just we are solved y times 1 plus log x dx by dy minus x log x y times. So we just separate this part. So what is we divide by? Yes, we divide by this x log x both side. So we got 1 plus log x divided by x log x, and we are divided by y on that side. We got 1 upon y, and we are separate this dy. So 1 upon y dy, which is variable separable form. Directly we integrate. What is the integration of this 1 upon y? Is log y. What about this? We just separate this part. 1 divided by x log x plus log x divided by x log x. Then this log x get cancelled. Now this term. So what is the integration? 1 divided by x log x dx. Okay. Now we know that we just rearrange this term like this, 1 upon x divided by log x. This in the form of yes, f dash of x divided by f of x integration. What is integration? Log of f of x. So what derivative of log of x is 1 upon x. So this is nothing but this is derivative of dash of x. So we just put the value. We got that log of log x is equal plus log x is equal to log y plus log c. Just combine the all log. So what that? This implies log of inside bracket log x into this log x using the rule of log m plus log n is what? Log of m into n is equal to log of yc. Take anti-log, log cancel होत नाही बरं का. Take anti-log. We got the answer is x log x is equal to yc. So option is C is correct. X log x is equal to yc. We got the answer. Okay, have you understand? Okay, just this is variable separable. Just we have separate the variable. This question asked for 2 mark in 2009. Okay, now next 17 number example. The particular solution of differential equation. The particular solution we asked in last example. We asked general solution. General solution of this example. What is general solution of this example is x log x is equal to cy. Already we calculate. And now what do you ask? Particular solution of this example. This example asked for same example for 2016. पण पर्टिक्युलर सोल्युशन विचारलं म्हणजे काय x इक्वल टू e and y इक्वल टू e स्क्वेअर ही व्हॅल्यू पुट करायचं. मग तुमचं जनरल सोल्युशन काय आहे? व्हॉट इज जीएस? यस, सो जनरल सोल्युशन इज व्हॉट? y इज इक्वल x log x equal to yc. Now what do you put? We put first x equal to e and y equal to e square. So what do you get that? This implies e log e is equal to e square c. Log e is equal to what? 1 e square. 1 e get cancelled. What do you get the answer? This implies c is equal to 1 upon e. Put c is equal to 1 upon e in this equation. We got the answer is x log x is equal to y by e, or ex log x equal to y. Ex log x equal to y. मीन्स ऑलरेडी वी फाइंड जनरल सोल्युशन. मी जनरल सोल्युशन काढलेलं आहे, त्याच्यामुळे आपण काढत नाहीये. एक्झाम्पल मागचेच एक्झाम्पल आपण कंटिन्यू केले, फक्त विचारला काय पर्टिक्युलर सोल्युशन. वी गॉट द पर्टिक्युलर सोल्युशन ऑफ दिस एक्झाम्पल इज व्हॉट? इज y equal to ex log x. Okay, already we find the general solution of the differential equation is this one. Just we have put the value, we got the answer is y equal to ex log x. Ex log x. Just we have wait for some second, some minute, try to understand this example. Now we move toward the next example. Differential equation of all circle which pass through origin and whose center lie on y-axis. Power का? Differential equation of the circle which pass through the origin, which pass through the origin and whose center lie on y-axis. Question कुठे विचारलाय? CET 11 ला. CET ला CET 11 ला. which pass through the origin म्हणजे याचा सेंटर, याचा सर्कलहून पास होते ओरिजिन, सेंटर कुठला लाय होतोय? वाय ॲक्सिसला. जर मी असे जर काढायचं गेलं तर पहा, हा जो तुमचा ॲक्सिस आहे, हा एक्स ॲक्सिस, हा वाय ॲक्सिस, आणि इथं काय म्हटलंय? हु सेंटर लाय ऑन वाय ॲक्सिस. हा जो वाय ॲक्सिस आहे, हा जो वाय ॲक्सिस आहे, ह्या वाय ॲक्सिसवरती तुमचा सर्कल लाय होईल. म्हणजे सर्कल मे बी असा असेल. Okay, just we draw here. That is the better one. मोठा काढूया म्हणजे कसं होईल? ओके, म्हणजे एक तर सर्कल असा असेल किंवा असा असेल, विच टच द ओरिजिन, बिकॉज द एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट इज 0. नंतर असा असेल, माहित नाही कसा असेल. कंटिन्यू इन दिस वे. सिमिलरली असा असेल, असा असेल, सिमिलरली असा असेल. कंटिन्यू दिस वे. म्हणजे ह्याचं सेंटर काय असणार आहे? व्हॉट इज सेंटर? सेंटर इज एक्स ॲक्सिस इज 0 ऑन एक्स ॲक्सिस. व्हॉट इज वाय ॲक्सिस? जनरली वी नोट दॅट द सेंटर इज व्हॉट? HK अँड रेडियस इज R. सो व्हॉट इज सेंटर इज 0K. म्हणजे सेंटर काय असणार आहे? 0K. रेडियस काय? रेडियस काय? R. पण मला सांगा, सपोज इथं जर असं असेल 0K, याची रेडियस पण काय असणार आहे? केच असणार ना. इथं घेतला, याची रेडियस पण काय, हे डिस्टन्स काय असणार आहे? केच असणार ना. कारण की एच ॲक्सिस तुमचा एक्स ॲक्सिसवर तो 0 आहे, वाय ॲक्सिसवर के, मग त्याची रेडियस काय? R इक्वल टू के. सो वी मेक द इक्वेशन, वी मेक द इक्वेशन. व्हॉट इज इक्वेशन वी गॉट? व्हॉट इज इक्वेशन वी गॉट? इक्वेशन वी गॉट, यस, एक्स मायनस 0 ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर प्लस वाय मायनस के ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर इक्वल टू के स्क्वेअर. Just we are x square plus y square minus 2yk is equal to 0. मग किती कॉन्स्टंट आहे? आर्बिट्ररी कॉन्स्टंट एकच आर्बिट्ररी कॉन्स्टंट आहे. डिफरन्शिएट एकदाच करा. वी गॉट द आन्सर. सो वी गॉट द सोल्युशन इज, लेट C of 0k be the center of a circle lying on y axis and which pass through the origin. So we got the equation x minus 0 bracket square plus y minus k bracket square equal to r square. Here r equal to k. Why r equal to k? कारण की हा प्रत्येक जर सर्कल जर कन्सिडर केलं, एक सर्कल जर कन्सिडर केलं आणि एक ह्याची जे सेंटर आहे, हा तुमचा सर्कल आहे, हा जो सेंटर आहे, हा सेंटर काय? 0K. ह्याची जी रेडियस आहे, ती रेडियस काय आहे? R इक्वल टू जे काय केचं डिस्टन्स आहे, म्हणजे वायचं डिस्टन्स आहे तीच रेडियस असेल ना. दॅट इज अ डिस्टन्स, दॅट रेडियस इज व्हॉट? K. दॅट इज R इक्वल टू K. दॅट्स वाय. क्लिअर? क्लिअर? जस्ट गिव्ह मी अ चार्ट विंडो. ओके, गुड, यू क्लिअर. देन x minus 0 bracket square plus y minus k bracket square equal to k square. Just we expand this equation, we got that x square plus y square minus 2yk plus k square equal to k square. This k square get cancelled. We got the equation is x square plus y square minus 2yk equal to 0. So this equation containing only one arbitrary constant. So we differentiate once, one time. So what derivative? sorry, derivative of x square is 2x, derivative of y square is 2y dy by dx, minus derivative of y dy by dx, 2k is constant, we can take outside, is equal to 0. Just we can take 2 is outside, we got the required answer, x plus y dy by dx minus k. So just we common dy by dx, or we find the value of k. We find the value of k from this equation. We got the equation k equal to x plus dy by dx divided by dy by dx. So put this k value in this equation. In this equation, so we got that x square plus y square minus 2y. The k value is this one. For denominator dy by dx. So multiply throughout the equation dy by dx. What do you get the equation? Yes, this equation we got x square dy by dx plus y square dy by dx minus 2y. Multiply this 2y inside the bracket, multiply this 2y, this 2y ni multiply kara. What do you get the answer? Yes, so 2y x minus 2y square dy by dx equal to 0. This 2y square minus and this y square dy by dx plus किती वेळा होणार हा x square dy by dx minus हा एकदा y square dy by dx and minus 2xy equal to 0. Just common out dy by dx. What do you get the answer? This is the answer, x square minus y square dy by dx minus 2xy equal to 0. We have formed a differential equation. What do you get the question? Question is the differential equation of all circle which pass through the origin. The differential equation of all circle which pass through the origin whose center lie on y axis is मग सेंटर काय आपला झिरो के. सेंटर काय 0 के. मग हेच इक्वेशन फक्त सॉल्व करत गेलो आपण. वी गॉट द आन्सर. Okay, clear? Just we wait for few seconds on this slide. Now we move toward the next example, which asking for 2011 CET 2000. If m and n are order and degree respectively, पहा बरं का पहिल्यांदा विचारलं ऑर्डर. हे सगळ्यात इम्पॉर्टंट लक्षात ठेवायचं आहे की विचारलं काय आहे, काय विचारलं तुम्हाला आधी ऑर्डर मग डिग्री. रिस्पेक्टिव्हली ऑफ द डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन d2y by dx square d2y by dx square raised to 5 plus 4 times d2y by dx square bracket cube divided by dqy by dx cube plus हायेस्ट ऑर्डर काय आहे तुमची, हायेस्ट डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काय आहे डी क्यूब. मग त्याचा विचार करा ना. मग काय करणार, मल्टिप्लाय थ्रू आउट द इक्वेशन बाय दिस इक्वेशन. व्हाट यू गेट द आन्सर इज डी क्यूब वाय बाय डी एक्स स्क्वेअर डी स्क्वेअर वाय बाय डी एक्स स्क्वेअर रेस्ट टू 5 इंटू डी क्यूब वाय बाय डी एक्स क्यूब प्लस 4 टाइम्स डी टू वाय बाय डी एक्स स्क्वेअर ब्रॅकेट क्यूब प्लस डी क्यूब वाय बाय डी एक्स क्यूब ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर is equal to x square minus 1 into dqy by dx cube. मग हायेस्ट डेरिव्हेटिव्ह कुठे आहे, इथे बरोबर आहे. मग हायेस्ट डेरिव्हेटिव्ह किती आला, एकदा. मग त्याचे हायेस्ट काय आहे, यस व्हॉट इज द डिग्री 3 and 2 3 and 2. सो व्हॉट इज द आन्सर इज 3 and 2. हां, दोन वेळा अपियर आहे, दोन वेळा अपियर आहे, एकदा आणि दोनदा. मग दोन्हीमध्ये मी ह्या दोन्हीमध्ये हा जी ऑर्डर आहे 3, मग ह्याची पॉवर किती आहे 1, ह्याची पॉवर किती आहे 1 आणि ह्याची पॉवर किती आहे 2. या दोन्हीमध्ये जो हायेस्ट असेल तो घ्यायचा. सो व्हॉट इज हायेस्ट इज 2 इज द हायेस्ट. सो व्हॉट इज दॅट, डिग्री इज 2 अँड ऑर्डर इज 3. आलं, जरी दोनदा आलं तरी काही फरक पडत नाही. दिस इज नथिंग बट ऑर्डर अँड डिग्री. नाउ वी मूव टुवर्ड द नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल. The integrating factor factor of the differential equation dy by dx into x log x plus y equal to 2 log x is given by integrand factor विचारला. Where the integrand factor containing कुठे आला रे हा? This containing, this is the part of LDE, linear differential equation. थोड़ा सा रिवाइज करूया. So what is linear differential equation? dy by dx plus py equal to q, where p and q are the function of x. What is the integrating factor? If is equal to e raised to integration p dx. So just simplify dy by dx. मी तुम्हाला ऑलरेडी काय सांगितले, dy by dx चा कोएफिशिएंट किती पाहिजे या ठिकाणी? dy by dx चा कोएफिशिएंट किती पाहिजे या ठिकाणी? 1 पाहिजे, जो की नाही येथे. मग x log x ने मल्टिप्लाय करणार. So what is the answer? We multiply divide x log x throughout the equation. What is the x log x ने divide केलं? The answer काय येणार? dy by dx plus y divided by x log x is equal to 2 by x. So what is the p? y सोडून जो राहिला तो p आहे आणि हा q झाला. q चा विचार करायचा नाही, फक्त p चा. So we got that term dy by dx plus y divided by x log x is equal to 2 log x divided by x log x. So we got the term, yes, dy by dx plus x plus y divided by x log x divided by is equal to 2 by x. What is the p? 1 divided by x log x. We just put the value e raised to integration. Now again we have changed. Already in last lecture we have solved like this, 1 by x log x dx. This is look like what? F dash of x divided by f of x integration dx. So what is the integration f dash of x? F of x is log of f of x. So what is the answer? Is e raised to log of log x. Now why the property of exponential and logarithm? This get cancelled, is the base is e. Okay, so to get the answer log of x. So what is the option? Is B is the option is correct. Clear? Integrand factor for 2 mark. This question asks for 2 mark in CET 2011. Okay, we have see the example from 2004 to 2019. Okay, maximum example we have see from up to 2018, maximum example, because from 2019 we have solved this example lot of time. Okay, so we move toward the next example, 21 example. The solution of the differential equation y dx plus x minus y bracket square, y dx plus x minus y bracket square dy equal to 0. What do you ask? The solution. Solution म्हणजे कुठलं काढणार तुम्ही? We have find a general solution. So for that we have consider which rule applicable, whether we apply which rule? We apply variable separable or reduced to variable separable or homogeneous or LDE. So for that, for variable separable, if possible we have separate this term. No, it's quite difficult to separate this term because divided x dy minus y square dy, you can easily separate this term. But what about this x? So we are looking towards the homogeneous, but degree is not same. Again, try to write down this equation in terms of dy by dx. So we got that y dx is equal to minus x minus y. Just wait, sorry. We just write down y dx is equal to minus x minus y square dy. We write down this equation in terms of dy by dx. So the equation got dy by dx, the dx on that side and this term on that side. So we got that y divided by minus n multiply, we got y square minus x. Okay, but मग हे सेपरेट करू शकत नाही. मग ह्यासाठी काय करा तुम्ही dx by dy च्या फॉर्म मध्ये लिहा. So dx by dy is y square minus x divided by y. Just we are separate. What do you get the answer? Dx by dy is equal to y minus x by y. This in the form of dx by dy minus y, plus x by y is equal to y. This in the form of dx by dy. Okay, so just we solve. Just a bit. Just see. Just we remember this. Try to write on this example in terms of dx by dy. We try to recall that term dx by dy plus px equal to q. This is linear in x, and where p and q are the function of y, only or constant. Now what is integral factor? IF is equal to e raised to integration p, but p is a term of y, so here we add dy. So what is solution is? Solution is आता मागचं सोल्युशन का होतं y इंटू, आता हे कशामध्ये x मध्ये ना, सो x इंटू IF is equal to integration q into IF into dy plus c. We got the solution. So you find a solution first of all. This is linear in x. Y dx plus, just we already taught about this. So just we separate this part. Y dx by dy plus x minus y square is equal to 0. So dx by dy plus 1 by x or x by y is equal to y. It is the form of dx by dy plus px equal to q. Dx by dy plus px equal to q. If dx by dy plus px equal to q, so p equal to what? 1 upon y, and q equal to y. So we find the IF is equal to e raised to p, sorry here dy. Would you get that? E raised to integration 1 upon y dy. So what is integration 1 upon y? Log y. By the property of logarithm and exponential, we got that the answer is y. So what is solution of this equation? The solution of this equation is what? The solution of this equation is x into IF is equal to integration q into IF. This in the p and q are the form of y. So we write on here is y, means that is dy plus c. So we put that x into IF. What is IF is y. X into y is equal to q का आपला y into what is IF? y dy plus c. Y into y square. So what is the integration of y square? Y cube by 3. Just simplify. We got the answer 3xy plus y cube is equal to c1, or x equal to, just we are divided by this y, x equal to y square by 3 plus c by y. Why you find in terms of x? Because the equation in terms of dx by dy, so we asked to find what dependent variable. Here dependent variable is x and independent is y. So we just look out our option. Option is e raised to, first option is e raised to y by x, second option is y equal to, third option is x equal to. We see these two options. So option C is correct. Okay, clear? Just we wait for some minute for this slide, because you are clear this example. If you have any doubt, please chat me in chat window. I will be the answer. Okay. Next example 22. The differential equation of family of circle having center on line y equal to 10, touching x axis is center on line y equal to 10. Center on line y equal to 10 जे तुमचं इक्वेशन आहे, त्याचं सेंटर कुठे येणार आहे? जी लाइन आहे y इक्वल टू 10. आता y इक्वल टू 10 मला लाइन काढू लागली तर y इक्वल टू 10 इज पॅरलल टू x ॲक्सिस. दिस इज y इक्वल टू 10. ही जी लाइन आहे ह्या लाईनला तुमचं सेंटर फिरतंय, म्हणजे हे सेंटर तुमचं झालं काय असेल ते. ओके, म्हणजे तुमचा एच आता इथे असेल, काही इथे असेल, इथे असेल, इथे असेल, इथे असेल, इथे असेल सर्कल, इथे असेल, इथे असेल, कुठे असेल सांगू शकत नाही. ह्या लाईनवरती असेल. ह्या लाईनचा एक क्वाड्रंट माहिती आहे, तो म्हणजे काय वाय. वाय क्वाड्रंट काय 10. म्हणजे याचं जे काय सेंटर येणार आहे ते सेंटर ऑलवेज काय असणार आहे, द सेंटर इज ऑलवेज युअर वाय कोऑर्डिनेट इज ऑलवेज 10 आणि एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट इज एच. एच हा तुमचा सेंटर आहे. रेडियस माहिती आहे का, ह्याच्यावर रेडियस काढू शकतो का, नाही काढू शकत, कारण की हा रेडियस काढू शकतो कारण की ही जी डिस्टन्स आहे हे डिस्टन्स चेंज होणार का रे, हा किंवा हे डिस्टन्स किंवा हे डिस्टन्स, हे डिस्टन्स काय असणार आहे ऑलवेज 10 ना. सो रेडियस इज ऑल्सो 10, रेडियस इज ऑल्सो 10. जर मी जर थोडंसं इथे विचार केला तर मी थोडंसं इथं मोठं जातो. आता तुमचा हा एक्स ॲक्सिस, हा तुमचा वाय ॲक्सिस, आणि मी इथे एक लाईन काढतो y इक्वल टू 10 ची. दिस इज द लाईन y इक्वल टू 10. मग सेंटर, पहिला सेंटर मी इथे घेतला y इक्वल टू 10. दुसरा सेंटर सपोज मी इथे घेतला, तो तुटक घेतो सपोज, हा आपलं कन्सेप्ट क्लिअर करण्यासाठी. तिसरा सेंटर इथे घेतला, चौथा इथे, कंटिन्यू दिस वे. मग मला सांगा हा जर सेंटर घेतला आहे, ह्या सेंटरचं हे डिस्टन्स किती असणार आहे, हे डिस्टन्स किती असणार, हे डिस्टन्स किती असणार, व्हॉट ऑफ द एक्स, तुमचं हे डिस्टन्स. ओके, तुमचं हे जे डिस्टन्स आहे ते एक्स आहे. मग हे डिस्टन्स किती असणार तुमचं 10. मग तुमचं रेडियस किंवा इथून घेतलं हे डिस्टन्स किती 10च, हे डिस्टन्स किती 10, ह्याच्यावरून तुमचं रेडियस किती असणार आहे 10. चेंज कुठे होणार तुमच्या याच्यामध्ये, फक्त एच कोऑर्डिनेट हा चेंज होणार आहे. युअर डिस्टन्स इज सेम. सो वी गॉट दॅट द टर्म वी आर मेक इक्वेशन. लेट C of H10 be the center of a circle on the line y equal to 10. Since the circle touches on x-axis, the radius of the circle equal to 10. Since the circle touches the x-axis, म्हणजे जर असा विचार केला, तुमचा सर्कल जो आहे तो एक्स ॲक्सिसला टच करेल, पण ह्या लाईन मधून पास होईल. दुसरा या एक्स ॲक्सिसला टच करेल, म्हणजे हे जे डिस्टन्स आहे तुमचं फिक्स आहे ते म्हणजे किती 10. Okay, so equation is x minus h bracket square plus y minus 10 bracket square equal to 10. So we got that equation x minus h bracket square plus y minus 10 bracket square equal to 10 square. Just simplify, 100 get cancelled, or just we are differentiate directly. 2 times x minus h plus 2 times y minus 10 divided by dx equal to 0. So x minus h is equal to, just simplify, we got that the term. Now we are asked to find that x minus h value. For that, because only one constant na, we do not differentiate again, so we need a square na. So squaring on this both side, we got x minus h bracket square, y minus 10 bracket square divided by dx bracket square. Put this equation in this equation, put this value in this equation. We got y minus 10, just we common out, we got that y minus 10 bracket square, or just simplify, we got that the term y square minus 20y minus plus 100 is equal to 100. This 100 get cancelled, we are remaining this one plus this one. So we got that, this is the answer. Simplify, we got the answer. So option D is correct. Option D is correct. Clear this? Okay, good. Now we move towards next example. Particular solution. We ask now particular solution. From this general solution, we will find a particular solution. The particular solution of this differential equation. Just we are simplify. Log of dy by dx. पहिल्यांदा काय करावं लागेल आपल्याला dy by dx च्या फॉर्म मध्ये लिहावं लागेल. मग ह्या log कट करावं लागेल. Log कसं कट करणार? Take property of logarithm. What is the base here? E. Log of dy by dx equal to 3x plus 4y is when x equal to 0 and y equal to 0. This question asked for CET 2013. So equation we got that the term is okay. So we got the equation. So this equation is got log of dy by dx, log of dy by dx to the base e is equal to 3x plus 4y. So already we solved this example, such an example. So just we got the dy by dx, use the property of logarithm power function, we got this 3 e raised to 3x plus, just separate e raised to 3x into e raised to 4y. By variable separable form we solve this example, we got the required answer. Okay, what is the answer? What is the answer we got? So we got the answer is yes, dy by dx. Just separate the variable. Would you get the answer? Okay, option is C. So log of dy by dx is equal to 3x plus 4y is equal to dy by dx is equal to e raised to 3x plus 4y, e raised to 3x 4y. Just we separate the variable. हा e raised to 4y इकडे देऊन टाकणार आणि हा dx इकडे दिला, म्हणजे काय झाला आन्सर 1 upon e raised to 4y dy is equal to e raised to 3x dx e raised to minus 4y dy is equal to e raised to 3x dx. On integrating we get integration of e raised to minus 4y dy is equal to integration e raised to 3x dx plus c. Just integrate, we got the answer. E raised to minus 4y divided by d root of minus 4y is minus 4. E raised to 3x divided by d root of 3x is 3 plus c. Just simplify, we got that general solution. So this is the general solution we got. This is our general solution. Now from the general solution we have find that yes, what we put? Y equal to 0 when x equal to 0. We put everywhere x equal to 0, e raised to 0 is 1, e raised to y equal to 0, e raised to 0 is 1, means we got that 4 plus 3, 7. So c equal to minus 7. So what do we get the answer? 4 e raised to 3x plus 3 e raised to minus 4y minus 7 equal to 0. So we got that option. Option C is correct. Option C is correct. We got the answer. Okay, we got the answer. Okay, just we will wait for that a few seconds on this slide. Okay, we are moved toward the next example. 24. The degree of the differential equation 1 plus dy by dx bracket cube whole bracket is to 7 by 3 is equal to 7. So what is degree? We ask respectively. What is degree? So we write the equation here. Solution 1 plus dy by dx bracket cube raised to 7 by 3 is equal to 7 times d2i by dx square whole. So इथं काय करावं लागेल, हा 7 तसा ठेवायला 1 by 3 कट करा म्हणजे क्यूब ऑन बोथ साइड. So cubing we get, in cubing we get 1 plus dy by dx bracket cube bracket is to 7 is equal to 7 times d2i by dx square bracket raised to 3 and this 7 raised to 3. We got that the equation. Now what is the highest order? What is the highest degree to occur? d2i by. This is the first order, this is second order. So what is the order? So order is 3. What about the degree? ज्याची highest order पाहिली त्याची degree check करा. So what is degree? Sorry, order is 2. And what is degree? Is 3. So answer is 2 and 3. So order is 2 and what or degree is 3. But what do you ask? We ask degree first. बरोबर का, या ठिकाणी तुम्हाला चकवा दिला त्यांनी. काय विचारलंय? डिग्री फर्स्ट आणि ऑर्डर नंतर. मग डिग्री किती आपली 3. डिग्री 3 असलेला आन्सर कुठला आहे? इथे आणि इथे. आणि ऑर्डर 2. सो डिग्री 3 आणि ऑर्डर 2. सो ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट. ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट. आपण काय करतो माहिती का, पटकन पटकन हा ऑर्डर 2 आणि डिग्री 3 पटकन डी ऑप्शन करतो. 2 मार्क आपले निघून जातात रे बाळांनो. खूप महत्वाचं हे. कारण त्यांनी काय म्हणलं, रिस्पेक्टिव्हली आर. रिस्पेक्टिव्हली म्हटलं, जसं सिक्वेन्स दिला तसं तुम्ही आन्सर सांगितलं गेलं पाहिजे. दॅट वर्ड इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. ओके प्लीज. 3 and 2. ओके, दिस इज अ example. Just see again. Okay, the degree and order of the differential equation 1 plus dy by dx bracket cube raised to 7 by 3 आता 1/3 आहे, सिम्पल फॉर्म मध्ये करायचं, क्यूब ऑन बोथ साइड, क्यूब केला तर काय होणार 7 क्यूब इंटू d2y/dx ब्रॅकेट क्यूब. फ्रॉम दिस इक्वेशन वी गॉट दॅट ऑर्डर इज 2 and degree is 3. Order is 2 and degree 3. But what is our sequence? Sequence is degree first and then order. Degree first and then order. Okay. So in this way we solve. So we see the next example. If sin x is integrand factor, पहा उलट दिलंय बरं का. याच्या आधीच्या एक्झाम्पल मध्ये इंटिग्रेंट फॅक्टर विचारला होता, पण हे तर काय दिलंय, इंटिग्रेंट फॅक्टर दिला. इफ sin x is integrand factor of the linear differential equation dy/dx plus py equal to q, then p विचारलंय, उलट विचारलंय, काय अवघड नाही, आपण करूया. ओके, तर कसं सॉल्व्ह करणार तुम्ही? सोल्युशन इज वी जस्ट रिमेंबर आवर कन्सेप्ट dy/dx plus py equal to q. So from this equation if काय असतो आपला e raised to integration p, where p and q are the function of what? x, कारण की तुमचं dy/dx आहे, जो खाली आहे तो तुमचा x आहे, म्हणजे p dx. मग इथे if ची व्हॅल्यू पुट करा. if ची व्हॅल्यू काय रे? if ची व्हॅल्यू काय? sin x. sin x इक्वल टू e रेस टू इंटिग्रेशन p dx. मग आपल्याला काय करायचा? हा कट करायचा. मग काय करणार? टेक लॉग ऑन बोथ साइड. टेक लॉग ऑन बोथ साइड. बरोबर आहे? टेक लॉग ऑन बोथ साइड. वी गॉट दॅट लॉग ऑफ sin x is equal to log of e raised to integration p dx. We got that log of sin x log of e raised to integration p dx by property of logarithm, and this one by property of logarithm log of m raised to n is n log m. So we got that integration p dx. Now we try to remove this integration. Integration is nothing but antiderivative. Take the derivative. So we take the derivative d by dx. So what is d by dx? What d by dx? Okay, d by dx of log of sin x is equal to what? Is equal to what? d by dx of integration p dx. Okay, so what derivative of log of sin x? Log से derivative का 1 upon sin x into d by dx of sin x. Okay, so derivative and integration get cancelled. What the answer is p. Derivative of sin x is cos x, so answer is cot x. So what is p? P is equal to cot x. So option D is correct. Which option? Option D is correct. क्लियर? उलट गेलो आपण. परत रिपीट करतो. dy/dx plus py equal to q, then p is. Okay, so we got the equation dy/dx plus py equal to q. From this equation we know that how to find if. So what is if? If equal to e raised to integration p dx. So we know the if we just put that sin x e raised to integration p dx. So we just put the value log of sin x equal to log of e raised to integration p dx. Just take the derivative of this concept and simplify. We got the required answer. जर हेच एक्झाम्पल जर असं विचारलं असतं dy by dx plus cot x y equal to q. Find if. त्याचा if काय आला असता? sin x आला असता. इझी होतं ना. त्याचा if काय आला असता? sin x. हे इझी होतं. ओके, नाउ वी सी द नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल. ओके ओके, एव्हरीवन अंडरस्टँड? प्लीज chat me chat window. Okay, 26. The solution of the differential equation dy by dx equal to tan of y by x plus y by x is. हा, आपण हे कन्सेप्ट पाहिलेला आहे. हा कुठला कन्सेप्ट बसतोय? ओके, ऑप्शन इज. ऑप्शन नंतर बघूया आपण. ऑप्शन इज द सोल्युशन ऑफ द डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन dy by dx equal to tan of y by x. हा कुठला क्वेश्चन बसतोय आपल्याकडे? ओके, कुठला क्वेश्चन बसतोय? यस, dy by dx equal to tan of y by x plus y by x is. कशामध्ये बसते? व्हेरिएबल, सेपरेबल, रिड्यूस्ड व्हेरिएबल, होमोजिनियस, नॉन होमोजिनियस. क्विक गिव्ह मी द आन्सर. ओके, पहा आपला जो फॉर्म आहे जर तुम्ही जर पाहिला कॉन्टेक्स्ट स्लाइड आहे ना, 4 नंबर स्लाइड मध्ये आपण here there reduce to variable separable form an equation of the form f of x plus y or f of x by xy or f of x by y or f of y by x, then we have used the suitable substitution. What is suitable substitution? We put y by x equal to or y equal to or xy equal to. That's the equation containing reduced to variable. So same we have go to the reduced to variable form. Same we go to the reduced to variables form. So what do you get the equation? Equation we got, yes, this equation containing reduced to variable separable form. And how we solve the reduced to variable separable form? Just we have solved here. Solution dy by dx equal to tan of y by x plus y by x. So what do you put? Y by x equal to v or y equal to vx. Just differentiate. We got dy by dx equal to v plus x dv by dx. Now this equation becomes one becomes what? V plus x dv by dx is equal to tan v plus v. Now simplify this v get cancelled. On this side we got minus v plus v minus v get cancelled. Where remaining is x dv by dx is equal to tan v. This is what? Variable separable form. Now we just simplify. What do you get? Variable separable form is dv divided by tan v is equal to s is equal to 1 upon x dx. 1 upon tan v is what? Cot v dv 1 upon x dx, which is variable separable. Just integrate. What is integration of cot v? Log of sin v log of x plus everywhere is log, so we add the log. Why we add log c instead of c? Because your answer is in terms of c. c कट केला त्यांनी, लॉग कट केला, आन्सर मध्ये लॉग कट केला, दिसतोय तुम्हाला? येस, लॉग कट केला म्हणून आपण लॉग सी ऍड केलं. सो जस्ट यूज द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ लॉगरिथम. व्हाट यू गेट द आन्सर? लॉग ऑफ sin v is equal to log of xc. Take anti-log on both sides. We got sin v is equal to xc. Now we put the value of v. What is the value of v? Sin of y by x is equal to xc. So this there is option. Sin y by x is equal to c. So b is the option. कधी कधी आन्सर असताना असं असतं बरं का, c टाइम्स sin of y by x is equal to x. This is also correct. कारण त्यांनी जर log c ऍड केलाय तो ह्या साईडला ऍड केला असतो, म्हणजे ह्या साईडला ऍड केल्यावर आन्सर ऑप्शन कसं येईल? log c plus log of sin x is equal to log x. From that we got the answer, this one. Okay, depend, both answer is correct, depend on where we add this log c, where we add this log c. Clear? Okay, clear? Just see the example solution. Just see the example solution. Okay, now we move toward the, just you see the example. If any doubt, please ask me in chat window. I will give the answer. Okay, the differential equation of all parabola. Power का differential equation of all parabola whose axis is y axis. Axis काय त्याचा y axis आहे, म्हणजे इक्वेशन आहे तुमचं काय असतं, x स्क्वेअर इक्वल टू वाय स्क्वेअर इक्वल टू असं इक्वेशन असतं ना. मग ह्याचं ऍक्सिस काय? y ऍक्सिस वरती. मग ह्याचं व्होल्टेज काय असणार आहे? व्होल्टेज काय असणार? x ला तो 0 ला टच होणार, x ला 0, पण y ऍक्सिस काय असणार? त्याचा k असणार आहे. म्हणजे ह्याचं काय, which is symmetric about y axis ना. म्हणजे तुमचं इक्वेशन काय असणार आहे? यस, x स्क्वेअर इक्वल टू 4a y minus k. So we got the equation like this. We have the parabola symmetric about y axis and vertex is 0k. This question asked for in CET 2017. Equation of parabola is x minus 0 bracket square equal to 4a y minus k. Just simplify the equation. We got that equation is x square equal to 4ay minus 4ak. It containing two arbitrary constant a and k. We differentiate with respect to x. We got that the equation 1 upon 2a 1 upon x dy by dx. Again we differentiate. We got that 1 upon 2a derivative is 0. But what about this derivative? U into v rule. 1 upon x d2y by dx square plus dy by dx derivative of 1 upon x is minus 1 upon x square. Just multiply on both sides on x square. We got that x dy by dx x d2y by dx square minus dy by dx equal to 0. So what do you get the option? Option is A. Option A is correct. Option A is correct. Okay, this is your answer. Now we move toward the 17 झालं, आता 18 आणि 19. Okay. The particular solution of the differential equation x dy plus 2y dx equal to 0. We are asked to find the particular solution. X equal to 2 and y equal to. For that we will find first of all general solution. So what is the term? What term? The term here. Yes, x dy plus 2y dx equal to 0. First of all, we are just separate the term which is variable separable. पहा maximum time variable separable विचारले रे बाळांनो, दुसरं काय विचारलंच नाहीये. So 1 upon y dy plus 2 by x dx equal to 0. कुठला फॉर्म झाला? variable separable. Just we integrate. Integration of this one. What is integration of this one? Log y plus 2 log x. Everywhere is log, so we add the log c. So we got that log y plus log of x square is equal to log c. Property of logarithm, log of y x square is equal to log c. Take antilog, we got that x square y is equal to c. हा झाला त्याचा काय? GS, जनरल सोल्युशन. पण तुम्हाला काढायचं काय? Particular solution. So for finding particular solution, we put x equal to 2 and y equal to 1 in general solution. So x equal to 2, we got the equation right down again, x square y equal to c. So x equal to 2, 4, x y equal to 1 into 1 c. So what do you get the value? Yes, c equal to 4. So this GS become x square y equal to c, c is equal to 4. So what do you get the answer? X square y equal to 4. We got the particular solution. So what is the option? Option B is correct. Option B is correct. Option B is correct. Okay. Now we see the next example, which is asked in CET 2018. The order of the differential equation of all parabola whose lateral rectum is 4a and axes are parallel to the x-axis, whose lateral rectum आता एक्झॅक्टली अपोजिट. त्या ठिकाणी y axis ला सांगितलं होतं, त्या ठिकाणी x axis ला सांगितलं. म्हणजे काय होणार आहे? इक्वेशन कसं होणार? द सोल्युशन order विचारली. There is no need to simplify. Just we find the equation. Just we find this equation. What is the equation? Y minus. What is the lateral rectum? It's k bracket square is equal to 4a times x minus h. म्हणजे किती इक्वेशन याचे? याचे इक्वेशन किती आहे? किती ऑर्डर आर्बिट्ररी कॉन्स्टंट किती आहे? सो हियर h and k सॉल्व करायचं नाही, त्यामुळे काय प्रॉब्लेम नाही. h and k are two arbitrary constant. So therefore what is the order? Order of differential equation is equal to what? Yes, number of arbitrary constant. So what is the arbitrary constant here? Number of 2. So what is the order? Order is 2. So option D is correct. Option D is correct. Now we see the last example. The order of the differential equation which I asked for the 2019. Why we take the next example on 2019? Because we have solved the 2019 example a lot of time. 2019 ला हे जे एक्झाम्पल आहे तेच फक्त व्हॅल्यू बद्दल विचारलेलं आहे, असं विशेष असं काय विचारलेलं नाहीये. काय विचारलं त्यांनी? द इक्वेशन ऑफ द ऑर्डर ऑफ द डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन ऑफ ऑल सर्कल हुज रेडियस इज 4. द डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन ऑफ ऑल सर्कल, जर इक्वेशन जर कन्सिडर केला तुम्ही सोल्युशन, तर काय असणार? तुमचं सेंटर काय माहित नाहीये, आपण जनरल सेंटर घेऊ एच अँड के. रेडियस किती आहे? आर स्क्वेअर 4. सो वी गॉट दॅट x minus h bracket square plus y minus k bracket square equal to 4 square is 16. किती आर्बिट्ररी कॉन्स्टंट आहे? 2. हे इक्वेशन किती वेळा डिफरन्शिएट करावं लागेल? 2 टाइम्स. 2 टाइम डिफरन्शिएट केलं याची ऑर्डर करणार d2i by dx स्क्वेअर. आणि तुम्हाला विचारते ऑर्डर आहे. सो व्हॉट इज ऑप्शन? ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट. ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट. ओके. सो दिस इज द एंड ऑफ आवर डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन. स्टिल इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट, प्लीज चॅट मी चॅट विंडो और इन ब्लॉग स्पॉट. तुम्ही जे तुम्हाला ब्लॉग येत आहेत त्या ब्लॉग मध्ये जरी तुम्ही टाकलं तर तुम्हाला मी रिप्लाय करेल तुमच्या मोबाईल नंबरला. नो प्रॉब्लेम. ओके. सो थँक यू व्हेरी मच फॉर कनेक्टिंग अस. थँक यू व्हेरी मच. इफ यू हॅव एनी डाउट, प्लीज आस्क मी. ओके. थँक यू व्हेरी मच.